If you want to create shortcut key for any font in Word, for example, every time you have to select it and then go to your favorite font, for example, Century Gothic. So how you can make it your default shortcut key for this font? So this is pretty simple and easy. Let's right click on the ribbon and go to the customize ribbon and click on the customize, and in the categories scroll down to the below, select the font, and here you need to select the font which you want to create shortcut key, and this is the Century Gothic. And here type press new shortcut key. So for example, I'm giving Control Shift plus CG. So and click assign and click OK. So now change this font to Arial black, and now select again and press Control Shift plus CG. So it will be converted to your favorite Century Gothic font. So this way you can create any shortcut key for your favorite font in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.